Welcome back. Now, when you are working with an HTML page, as you are looking here, you are going to be working in one of three sections. You'll notice that there is a body tag, and that's typically where you are going to be editing content on a particular page. You'll also notice that above the body tag, there is a header tag, and you'll notice that the header tag is highlighted by head and backslash head. And this is all of the information that you're going to be working with within the header. Typically, you'll also see a title tag here also. And you'll notice that title tag with brackets and the word title. In most cases, you will not be editing the content above the body tag. This information will be pertaining to the rest of the page and typically requires a more extensive knowledge of programming and coding. We will cover the two items specifically that you will work with above the body tag, the header and the title, in another video. Now, the very first statements that you'll see at the very top will tell you what version of HTML that the programmer was working with when they designed the page. But once again, typically you will not be doing anything with that information. Also above the body tag, you'll see the opening tag for the entire page. You'll see it starts with HTML. If you look all the way to the bottom of the page, you'll typically see the closing tag, and then you'll see the backslash and HTML as this closes the activity. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.